What is the Debt Snowball Method and how can I use it to pay down my debt? Hey, I'm Coach Hill, personal finance expert and NFL money coach. I love helping people win with their money, so I founded Financial Footwork after years of coaching and training pro athletes. I took what I learned from the pros and I made it all about you finding success with your money. I help people all over the US understand and handle their finances. So smash that subscribe button, like this video, and grab our money management toolkit so you can start tracking your debt payoff goals right now. Let's dive into the Debt Snowball Method and give you the exact framework to use. The Snowball Method is very simple and very straightforward to execute. Step number 1, write out your credit debt, all of your collective debt. This means everything you owe anybody. Do this on a piece of paper the old-fashioned way or grab an Excel document and put it there. Step number 2, organize and prioritize your debts from smallest to largest. And step number 3, start making your payments. Sounds simple, but let's look at how this is actually executed on an example. List out all of your debts, again, either on an Excel document or a piece of paper. Here's what your document will look like. It's going to have the credit account, who you owe money to, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, a bank. The second piece is the balance you owe on the account, the current balance you owe down to the penny. The next section is going to have the interest rate for your debt, how much interest you're actually paying. And the last section is going to be the monthly minimum payment, which you can find on your statement. Once you have everything on paper and you've organized your debts from smallest to largest, it's time to start tackling those payments. Remember, during this process, you need to make all of your monthly minimum payments. Any leftover money should be used to tackle the first account on your priority list. Implementation is key. You have to get all of the information in one place, set up your priority list, and then start chipping away at that balance, card by card. Use your monthly budget to tackle each payment and keep track of your debt payoff as you go. Seeing that success will really help you stay focused for your goals. I hope you found this information helpful and easy to implement today. Remember to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and go grab our money management toolkit containing our debt payoff tracker so you can start tackling your debt payoff goals right now.